What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. So today we're going to do a how to install. We're going to learn together because I have not installed it, but I have the tuckable clip from We The People holsters. Now this is designed for an inside the waistband holster. I believe I'm going to have to take the claw off. But I'm gonna have to figure this out. We're gonna figure it out together. But I'm gonna show you how to install it. All it does is come with this little bitty card. So I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna walk through it together and I'm going to show you how to do this. And then we'll come back later at a later date and do a review. I'm gonna test this bad boy out to see what I think about it. But yes, if you already know about the tuckable clip and you want one, I'll have it linked in the description below. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you to intro, and then I'm gonna get inside and we're gonna do this inside in a controlled environment where I don't lose any screws out here in this pine straw. And so yes, but this is the tuckable inside the waistband tuckable clip from We The People holsters. It will run you right at $12. So if you're interested, that's the information in case I forget to tell you while we are installing. But 12 bucks will get you the inside the waistband tuckable kit. So it comes with all the screws, comes with everything you need to install, and that's what we're fixing to do. So I'll see you inside. All right, here we are inside with the We The People holsters tuckable inside the waistband clip. So we're going to install this on my Molon Labe SIG holster. So bear with me because the camera is in between me and my working surface. So if something goes out of camera, that would be why. So this is what we're going to put it on. And we're going to be using the Gerber splice to do this install. Recently did an unboxing of this in First Impression, and so far I really like this. I haven't done my review yet. I'm still doing some testing. So all right, so first we need to take this off. So we're going to take this clip off, and we're just going to use the screwdriver here and get these two screws out. Now this tuckable, I don't remember if I said it a little while ago, but this tuckable inside the waistband clip will run you $12 on We The People's website. So not too bad. And so we're gonna install it, and then we're gonna do some testing with it, and I'll come back and give you guys a full review. So you want that off. So that's what you'll end up with, is just 4 holes. All right, so if you didn't already know, this clip is adjustable. So you can go up, down, you can put it wherever you want to, you can can it if you wanted to. You got so many options, but so we're gonna take that off, and we don't need those screws. So, and now we need to take this screw out. So this is your retention screw. So we're gonna take this one out. This would be where like the claw attaches, but this is where the tuckable clip attaches. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So let's undo this. And we shouldn't need this screw. It should come with all the hardware. Take that out. That's separate. Alright. Put this back together so we don't lose anything. Alright, there's that one. And now, let's get into this bad boy. Get the holster out of the way. Knife blade is still stiff. I need to sharpen the blade. All right, so it comes with this little card that gives you a little bit of instruction, but not a whole lot. All right, not a whole lot. So we're gonna put that to the side, get that out. So we have what looks like a long screw, a short screw, rubber washer, a thin washer. Now that's a lock washer, and a double back post. All right, so let's see if I can figure out from the instruction. All right, so it looks like we go with our double. Again, this is the first time I'm ever done this, so I may get it wrong the first time. All right, so you want to insert that double into your big rubber washer. I want to get it in here. Line that up. Now on the back side, go with a short screw. Get short. We're not lined up. Let's see. All right, let's go back to the. All right, let's go back to the screwdriver. We're gonna put our small screw in here and screw that down. I feel like I'm too close to the camera. All right, so this screw is what's gonna serve as our retention. So you can see that thick rubber washer getting sandwiched down. So we'll leave that like it is. All right, so now on the working side, we want to add our lock washer. And then it says to add that, but I don't know how that's gonna go. All right, okay. All right, so you have, let's see if it'll focus. You see them little teeth? They're on opposite sides. So what those are for is for it to go in there and lock. So this won't pivot, so it locks it in place. So got a lock washer back on there. Get this bad boy on here. And get our screw started. Get this screw in. All right, so that's tight. All right, that ain't going anywhere. And now that screw will stop. You have no rubber washer behind it, so it's not gonna keep going. It's gonna hit its stopping point. So that's where we're at there. And then we'll do a little bit more on this one. All right, there you go. That is the tuckable clip. The tuckable inside the waistband clip. So the way this works, this will go on your belt or pants, and it kind of pushes away from pushes the gun back into your body just a little bit, but it gives you room to tuck a shirt in so you can be even more concealed. So we're gonna test it out and see, but a $12 add-on is not bad. I decided to put it on this small holster versus my bigger one. So we're gonna test it on this one first, and then if I really like it, then I'll probably order another one. Now, We the People did send me this to open up, test out, review, all that, show you guys how to put it on. They did send this to me for free, but like I said, if I do like it, I will be purchasing me one for 12 bucks. All right, guys, well, that is how to install the tuckable inside the waistband clip from We the People holsters. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will be coming back with a review of this and show you some pictures and stuff after I have carried it for a little while. We'll talk about durability. We'll talk about how it feels. We'll talk about comfort. We'll talk about how good it is as in tuckable. all that kind of stuff. So we'll talk about all that in a follow-up video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. If you're interested, make sure to drop it in the comments and let me know that you are ready for that video to go out. So I'll be working on that starting now. I'll start testing this bad boy out. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.